It says 20 foot-pound. Yeah, it should be 240 inch-pound. So it's like, it's snug, but it ain't crazy. Like, the thing is, they kind of have like back in and slide it in, make sure it gets, there we go. Just make sure it presses on firmly and it seats all the way on there. And then last thing is just to make sure that these wires get popped in and you're done, and we'll just do this to the other side. This thing trimmed up, make it easier for us. You're gonna go right over the whole thing, keep the front down a little bit, and you're gonna just wiggle it on there, but you always front first, then the back, make sure there's no gap. Again, it should be able to one finger it down, lock it in place, push that down, you're done with the spark plugs.